What are the cool features of latest GB WhatsApp version 16.10.0? As 7th of June, GB WhatsApp gave an update, and now the version which was 16.00.0 has been changed to 16.10.0. Let me show you because I have already installed. As usual, I always give the link in the description. If you want to download this application, you can follow the link given in the description, or you can check out the comment section. I'll also give you a link over there. Now when I open this application, you can see that the home interface just look like this. First of all, let me show you. When I click on GB settings, on the bottom you can see that upgrade GB, and here version 16.10.0 release. When I click on this, you can see that you have the latest version of GB WhatsApp 16.10.0. Lot of viewers says that there are no updates available exactly. Now the only version name is changing. There is no any update. And then let me tell you one thing. Security patches always update. No matter that sometimes features are not updated, there is no any additional feature, but always security patches updates, and that is why your conversations are more secure if you are updating regularly your GB WhatsApp. So the best thing is that now we have the latest security patch level of 7th June 2021 if you update this application to 16.10.0. Now let me show you the options. When I open this application, here we are in the home screen. Ads are shown as usual. It was in the previous version, still it is available here. So now this is quite disappointment. Now you can see that ads are shown here. When I click on status, you can also see that the ads are available here. So ads are still available. In the previous version we were having an issue that while we were hiding any conversation, it was showing in search box. Let us check it out that still this problem is available or not. So once when I hide any conversation, you can see that it is hidden now. But when I search here, type the name, then again it is coming in search box. You can see that in search result it is given. So there is no benefit if you hide any conversation. Hidden conversations are not so much safe as we were thinking. Now let me unhide this application is chat. For that we'll long press here, click on here and then unhide chat. Now you can see that the chat has been unhidden. It was hidden, but there was no much benefit. When I click on this application chat, click on this, you can see that some options are shown here. We were expecting that log conversation feature will be added, but there is no feature, and other voice changer is not available here. So some only you may say the basic features are available here, so you can use them. Now when I back, when in the bottom you will see the plus button, then you will see that some options are given here. First option is theme store, second option you can see here customization, and third option is here you can use that voice calling. These options are available here also. When I click here GB settings, then these three options are here: theme store, dye theme, and color phone. So if you want to use from here, these features you can use from here. Otherwise in the home screen you will get in the plus button. Once when you click on theme store, then your theme store will be opened and you will find n number of themes. If you want to download any theme, you need to just click on this theme, and thereafter, because some premium themes are there, if you want to download them and use them, you need to share that theme. You can see here you must share 7 friends or 5 groups. If you want to download this theme, you need to share this with your friends on WhatsApp, and thereafter you'll be able to download this because it will be unlocked. And some basic themes are available here when you click on local. So if you want to apply these themes, you don't need to share with anyone. Directly click on that, and thereafter you can see here apply. When you click on apply, this theme will be applied. So this is available in the home screen if you want to apply any theme. Second option is available, as you can see that dye theme. Here when you click here, you may say this is the customization option. If you want to make any changes in home, like as you want to change the background color, you want to apply any wallpaper, you can click here, and thereafter you can choose any wallpaper available in your phone. Like as you can see that I haven't downloaded any wallpaper, so that is why the wallpaper is not shown here. I'll just give you example of here. So when I click on this image, then you can see that it is coming in the wallpaper section. When I click on done, then what will happen? This will be my wallpaper. I'm not gonna use it. If you want to change the color, text color you want to change, background color you want to change, icon color you want to change, and you want to make any changes in the home screen, you can use these options, and you can preview also that. Same is here. If you want to make changes in conversation section, click here. In the conversation screen, you want to apply any wallpaper, you can click here, edit, and same you can do. If you want to make changes with the background, icon, text, you can make changes related to the conversation screen. So here this option is available in the home screen. Click. Third option is color theme. When you click here, what will happen when you make any voice call with any of your friend, then by default interface just look like this. If you want to change the interface, you can scroll down, and if you like any of these you may say the interfaces, you just click on that, and thereafter you can set as a default. What will happen when you will make call to anyone, then this interface will look to you. Now you go back from here. Now again click on this. You can see that you want to make any new message, you want to make any new group, you can use this option here. Go back. Now when you click on this button, you will see that the setting icon is shown here. If you want to click here, you can click here, otherwise the same options are available when you click here. Click here, there's the GB settings. Once when you click here GB settings, you'll reach to this page, and you can do the same thing from here. You will reach to this place. So now let's talk about other options also. When you click here, you want to create a new group, you can use this option. You want to create a new broadcast, you can use this option. You want to access your WhatsApp account to your laptop or PC, you can use this option. Start messages means you want to bookmark any message. That message will be, you may say that available here also, and also in the chat screen where you have shared it. Now in the payment section, you can also make payment to anyone who is using GB WhatsApp or WhatsApp. For that, what you need to do, you have to add any application like Bheem or any UPI application, and by using this application you can transfer money also. So when you click on here, you can see that the next option is GB settings. Before that, we need to talk about the message number and message scheduler. By clicking on message number, you can make a message to anyone. You don't need to save the contact number. Click here country name and click here mobile number, and after that you can click on open chat. What will happen, you will be opened in the chat section. So without saving contact number, you want to make chats with anyone, you can use this option. Same as here, you want to schedule message. Suppose I want to send a message at night 12 o'clock, but I don't want to wake up so late. So what will happen, I'll go to the message scheduler. I'll click on plus button. Here I need to choose the recipient whom I want to send a message, and here I'll type the message, what message I want to send. Suppose I have typed hi. Now choose date and time here. So when you click here, you can see that you need to choose here date, and you need to choose here time. Once when you click here, what will happen, the message has been scheduled, and now when you click here send later, this message will be sent when this date and time will be available in your system. So you can click here, you can see the time has expired, means it is 6 minutes past 6 o'clock, and you can see that the time has been changed. If you want to make changes, what you need to do, click here and you can expand the time here. When I'll use 8, and then I'll OK, and then send later. So what will happen when I click let me make changes here again. So when I click here this, and then OK, and then send later. So now message has been scheduled. When this time will be here, then automatically the message will be sent to this recipient. So message scheduler is properly working here. Now we need to go to the other options are there, like as you want to restart this application, you can click on this, and this is the setting option. By using this option, you can get the basic options of WhatsApp. Like as you want to make changes in username, you want to make changes in your account, you can do this all here. Now go back, click on this. Now we'll talk about the GB settings. When you click here GB settings, on the top you will see that the GB WhatsApp. Click here if you want to see the features. Here you can click, and then some tutorials are shown here. These are not the exactly settings, these are some tutorials. If you want to check it out, you can check it out. Now let's go to the privacy and security. Once when you click on privacy and security, you can see that hide last seen, disable forwarded tag, who can call me. So if you want to hide your last seen to anyone, you can enable this option. If you want to forward any message of anyone to anyone, and you don't want that the forwarded tag should be shown, then you can enable this option here. So what will happen once you forward any message to anyone, that forwarded tag will not be shown here. If you want to restrict calls, like as everybody can call me in WhatsApp, then you can select this option. Only the contact number I have saved in my phone book, if I click on this, then only those numbers will be able to call me. If I want to I don't want any call from WhatsApp from any recipient, I'll just click on this. Go back, scroll down, then you can see that some options are related to status. You want to hide view status, means you view anyone's status and you don't want to let him know that you have viewed his status. You can enable this option. Same as here. Next option is anti-delete status. What does it mean exactly? If any of your friend is updating a status and thereafter is deleting, that status will not be deleted for you if you enable this option. That status will be shown for you for next 24 hours and thereafter it will be expired if you enable this. Same as here, two more options are here related to chats. If anyone sends you a message and thereafter he deletes the message will not be deleted for you. That will be on for you if you enable this option. Same here, if anyone is sending a message to you and you are reading this message but still that person will not get blue ticks. He will only get blue ticks when you reply. So you can use this option also here. You want to make changes related to contacts, groups and broadcast. Let me show you what you need to do. When you click on contacts, you want to hide blue ticks, you can click here. You want to hide second tick, you can click here. You want to hide blue microphone, you can click here, and hide typing, you can click here. So same settings are here if you want to make changes related to group or broadcast. So these are the features in privacy and security. We were expecting that app lock will be available here, but there is no app lock option. Quite disappointment. Go back, we'll talk about the next option here, the universal settings. Click on this, you will see here the multiple options. Let's discuss one by one. If you want to send any photograph, any media file with the best quality, you don't want it should be compressed, you can enable this. What happens if we share any media file on WhatsApp, GB WhatsApp, it compresses by default. If you want the original image, you can enable this option. Second option is here, you can see that what happens in WhatsApp, if we share any media file, we can share maximum 80 MB media file. If you want to increase that size, you can enable this option. You want to upload video status of 5 minutes, by default it is 45 seconds if you upload any status, video status especially we talk about. If you want to increase the timing, then you can use this option, the 5 minutes video status you can upload. But the thing which is important, the next person should also use this option just to access 5 minutes your video status. Next, you can see that previously we were able to only send 30 images, 30 media files at a time. But if you want to just disable this limit, you can enable this option. So what will happen? You can share more than 50 images, 100 images at a time. So if you want to use it, you can use it here. Now you can see that if you want to upload any status with the best quality, you don't want that the status should be compressed, you can enable this option also here. Same is here, you want to hide, you may say that the GB WhatsApp images shared to you, you can hide that. You need to just enable these options. You want to hide photos, enable this. You want to hide videos, you can enable this, and GIFs, enable this. Now you can see that here, if you want to enable the chat heads, you can use this option. Click here, it shows you the preview. You can see that the chat heads will just look like this. If you want to use it, you need to give permissions, and thereafter you'll be able to use it. For permission, get apps on the top, and thereafter you need to find out here GB WhatsApp, and you have to enable that. So once when you scroll down, you will see that all the applications you have installed on your phone, you have to find out here GB WhatsApp. So just GB WhatsApp you need to enable, and thereafter you'll be able to use this option. Go back. Increase forward limit, as in the official application of WhatsApp, you can only forward any message to maximum 5 recipients. You want to increase that limit, more than 300 recipients you want to share, you can use this option here. Self-destructive message option is available, like as if you make any message to anyone and you want that message should be deleted itself within 7 days, so it will be done. You don't need to delete that. After 7 days it will be deleted itself if you enable this option. Now you want to make some changes. Here you can see that the styles and emoji variants, click on this, you can use these options here. Later some status options are available. If you enable these options, what will happen? You will not be able to access anyone's status, and these the problems are there which a lot of GB WhatsApp users are facing. So if you are not able to view anyone's status, what you have to do, you have to open your GB settings, you have to go to the universal settings, and you have to go to these options. You have to disable these all options. You will be able to access other status if you are not able to access. So please make sure these options should be disabled. If you are not able to access anyone's status, you need to disable these options here. Go back. If you want to update your GB WhatsApp, if you are in the contact of Wi-Fi, you can enable this. And also you want to use your phone data, you can enable this option. You want to make changes in your launcher, you can click on this and you will see that the launchers are available here. If you want to make any changes, you want to choose any other launcher, you can choose from here. Now let's go back, again go back. When now you can see that other option is here, backup and restore. If you want to make a backup of your GB WhatsApp data, you can use these options here. If you want to make a backup in cloud storage like Mega account or Dropbox, you need to log in here and thereafter you can take a backup of your GB WhatsApp in the cloud storage. Now let's go back. More two options are remaining here. You can see that the conversation screen, once when you click here, you can make some changes in your conversation screen. You can enable contact online toast and also you can set ringtone using this of contact toast. You want to separate your chats groups, then you can use here. What does it mean exactly? When you click on this, then let me show you what will happen to you. When you open this application, you can see that chats groups are shown differently. It was available in the same option, but now it has been separated. So you want to make these changes again. So what you need to do, you need to go to the home screen and you need to disable this option. Again, you can see that you want your name should be shown in the header. You can use this option. You want DND option should be shown in the home screen. You want the dark mode option shown in the home screen. Then you can enable these options here. Let me show you. If you disable these options will not be shown to you. So these are the features available in GB WhatsApp version 16.10.0. You can see that if you more options are here. I have already told you that these three options are available in the home screen. Using plus button, you can use these options here. Same, you click here, then what will happen? Theme store will open. You can download any theme and you can apply that. If you click here dye theme, then what will happen? You can make customization related to your home and your conversation. Go back and here you can see that if you want to follow GB, click on this. You can visit his official website, Telegram group and also Twitter account. You want to send any feedback, you can just click on this and you can send feedback. About this application, you want to know anything, you can read here everything. The license patch from 2010 it is serving to us. If you want to check the licenses, you can click here and you can see that the licenses are shown here. So go back, and finally at the bottom you can see that the upgrade version. So these are the options available on latest GB WhatsApp version 16.10.0. If you want to download this application, I'll give you the link in the description, and also I'll give you the link in the comment section. If you want to download, you can download it. This is all about the GB WhatsApp version 16.10.0. Very soon we'll see again in the next video. We'll talk about the other features. For the time being, bye bye and take care.